This is how to add your payment method to AdSense. So if you watch the last video, we verified our address, and after verifying your address, you need to add a payment method so that Google can send you your payment. So when you log into your AdSense, you can come to payments info here, and then you come here where it says add a payment method. So you click on that. So it brings you right here, and you want to select add new wire transfer details. So this is where you want to start adding your bank information. So first you need to add the name of the account, the name you have on the bank account. So I'm just going to put my name because that's my name. Don't put my name in your own. So I'm going to block this because YouTube doesn't like that. So now you will want to put your bank name. So I think I'm using Guarantee Trust. I'm using GT. So you just have to type your bank name. So I'm just too lazy to write this out. So I just want to copy it. So it's Guarantee Bank PLC. So I copy it, I come here and then I paste it. So you want to add your SWIFT code. All right. If you don't know this, you can just ask your bank, but the easiest way to get it is to just come here, come to Google, type the name of your bank and then write SWIFT, BIC or SWIFT code. So just come to Google, type, you can say UBA, blah, 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 SWIFT code. This again, I'm using GT and this is the SWIFT code right here. Just copy it. So as you can see, this one is from gtbankdirectly.com. If you are not sure, just call your bank and ask them, but you should easily find it online. So you copy it, paste it right here, and this is where you want to add your account number. Now you can use your normal Naira account, but I advise against that because they are going to be sending you the money and your bank is going to convert it for you automatically. So it's better for you to create a DOM account, and then when you create a DOM account, they'll send you the dollars and you decide what you want to do with your dollars instead of the bank just converting it straight for you. And to create a DOM account is not hard. I have videos already, so if you want to watch that video, just let me know so that I'll give you the video. So I have a GT DOM account, so I'm just going to write it right here. So you have to retype the account, copy it. I want to copy it and paste it. So this is basically all you need. You can check it as your primary payment method or not. So, and then you click on save. So it's just going to save your payments info, and when the time is right, YouTube is just going to send you your money. So this is how to add the payment info into your YouTube AdSense account. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.